Today we're walking through La Boca, Buenos Aires, and it's not just any day, this is Superclásico Day. That means the Boca Juniors and River Plate, one of the most intense rivalries in all sports, and we are near La Bombonera. You can see it right there, so expect a lot of noise, chaos, and people with a lot of passion. Let's take a little walk in the opposite direction and see people going to the game today. La Boca is located in the southern part of Buenos Aires, about 15 to 20 minutes from downtown. You can pick up every souvenir known to man here. Well, whether you're a Boca Junior fan or a fan of River Plate, expect a fun-loving crowd today. And we are going to be hunting one of these churipans down later. Right there on the grill. Take a look at this pupper dog, take a little nap. He is pumped up for the game. Superclásico Day. Super touristy La Boca. Got some squirrely stuff going on here. Is that a Vita? Let me know. We got Maradona there. All over Buenos Aires, you're going to see Maradona and Messi all over the place. They love the football. I think this is where we got our churipan last time we were here. It was delicious. We will be back. Oh boy, heading down towards the bars now. It looks like it's going to be a rowdy one. Trying not to get lost in the crowd here, guys, but this is kind of the Super Bowl of the city. And everyone is out and about. About 45,000 to 50,000 residents in La Boca. As you can see, there are much more today. We got a Parisia over here. Not terrible prices on that. La Perla. We've seen off to the right before I made this turn. That was Caminito. We'll be going there next. Very colorful area of Buenos Aires. The median household income is $300 to $500 per month. Not a lot. That is significantly lower than the normal rate of pay in the States and Buenos Aires in particular. Apparently we've come at the right time. We've caught a little tango show for you guys. originating in Uruguay, but pretty much stolen and taken over by Argentina. Interesting fact on the tango. On a normal day, La Boca is busy, but on Superclásico day, it is transformed. Fans in blue and yellow everywhere. Grills are going and music's blasting. Got this dog here. Oh yeah, he's about to get him a little something something. Wasn't impressed by those scraps. He was wanting a little more. All right, let's go take a look over here about what these vendors have going on. Again, you come to La Boca, you're going to see tons of colors. Markets, usually every Saturday or Sunday. Many locations across the city. Take a look-see at the water. Maybe we can catch a capybara out here. I don't see any in this water. Do have some ducks. I know we showed off the stadium a little bit when we started out, but it is right here in La Boca, home of Boca Juniors. Capacity is about 54,000 people. Today it will be packed. There's many other people hanging out at the bars in the area. Take a little stroll through the market. Check out what kind of junk, goods people are selling here. I'm going to keep it real with you. La Boca does not have the best reputation as far as safety. So be very mindful when you're in the area. Stick to Caminito so you don't end up robbed or pickpocketed. We got warned of that by a taxi driver on the way over here. Alright, I think we're going to cut this one here and we're going to go check out Caminito. Join us in the next video and like and subscribe on this one, guys, for more fantastic content. See you in the next one.